Welcome to the official video overview for the IPO of Glottis Ltd. We offer multimodal integrated logistics solutions which include end-to-end transportation solutions through ocean, air and road logistics services. This video is directed at and is intended for distribution to and used by residents of India only. You are viewing this video on the basis that you have confirmed your representation, agreement and acknowledgement to the book running lead manager BRLM and the company that you are the intended recipient of this video and you are located in India. If you are not permitted to view this video or are in any doubt as to whether you are permitted to view this video, please exit this video. Investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet or online websites, social media platforms or microblogging platforms by influencers of influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making an investment decision. Investors are advised to read the red herring prospectus dated September 22, 2025 RHP carefully before taking an investment decision in the offer. Initial public offering of up to equity shares of face value of ₹2 each, equity shares of the company for cash at a price of rupees per equity share, including a share premium of rupees per equity share of a price aggregating up to ₹1,000,000. The offer comprising a fresh issue of up to equity shares of face value of ₹2 each, aggregating up to ₹1,600 million by our company, the fresh issue, and an offer for sale of up to 11,395,640 equity shares of face value of ₹2 each. The anchor investor bidding period will close on September 26, 2025. The offer will open on September 29, 2025 and close on October 1, 2025. Incorporated on April 18, 2022, Glottis was originally formed as a partnership firm under the name Messrs. Glottis, pursuant to a deed of partnership dated June 24, 2004, executed between its promoters, namely Ramkumar Senthilvel and Kuttappan Manikandan. Subsequently, the promoters entered into a fresh partnership deed dated June 19, 2006 for registering the erstwhile partnership firm Messrs. Glottis with the Registrar of Firms, pursuant to which a certificate dated June 19, 2006 bearing number FR/Chennai North/249/2006 was issued by the Registrar of Firms. Glottis was converted from a partnership firm into a private limited company under the Companies Act 2013, pursuant to a certificate of incorporation dated April 18, 2022, issued by the Deputy Registrar of Companies, Central Registration Centre. Subsequently, company was converted into a public limited company pursuant to a fresh certificate of incorporation dated May 14, 2024, issued by the Registrar of Companies, Central Processing Centre. Consequent to the conversion of a company, the name of a company was changed to Glottis Ltd, thereby carrying its legacy into the logistics business since 2004, having its registered office at new number 46, old number 311, first floor, Thambu Chetty Street, Chennai 600001, Tamil Nadu, India. Our company delivers end-to-end logistics solutions with multimodal capabilities across verticals to optimize the movement of goods across geographies, including ocean freight forwarding, project cargo load and full container load, import as well as export, air freight forwarding, import as well as export, road transportation, along with other ancillary services including warehousing, storage, cargo handling, third-party logistics, 3PL services and custom clearance, among others. We have handled approximately 112,146 TEUs of imports through ocean during the fiscal 2025. We integrate services of our intermediaries and our in-house infrastructure to offer start-to-finish logistical solutions to our customers. Our service offerings, coupled with the capabilities of our intermediaries, enable us to offer assistance in geographically dispersed locations while modifying operating volumes, optimizing loads, and maintaining flexibility in handling capacity variations depending on a customer's requirements. Some of the qualitative factors and our strengths form the basis for computing the offer price are as follows. One of the leading freight forwarding player operating in the renewable energy industry, wide network of intermediaries coupled with optimum utilization of our asset portfolio, scaled multimodal logistics operations with capabilities of handling diverse projects, long-standing relationship with diverse set of customers across industries, widespread international presence, financial growth backed by demonstrable performance performance metrics, and skilled and experienced management team with relevant industry experience. As of August 31st, 2025, we had 174 permanent employees. Investors should note the following important risks. While we have adopted a business model wherein majority of assets necessary for offering our services to our customers are provided on rent by a wide network of our business partners, we intend to reduce our dependence on hired assets by acquiring and owning more of such assets. We plan to utilize the entire net proceeds towards purchase of commercial vehicles and containers. We may not be able to maintain and operate such owned assets efficiently in our business. We derive majority of our revenue from ocean freight, import and export segment, constituting 94.70%, 95.32% and 97.24% of our revenue from operations during the fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024 and fiscal 2023 respectively. Our financial condition would be materially and adversely affected if we fail to obtain new contracts, renew our contracts with existing customers, or if our current contracts are terminated in the said segment. We extend credit to our customers with post-billing credit terms, and we may experience delays in payments by our customers even beyond the credit period afforded to them. The holding level of our trade receivables increased from 27 days as of March 31st, 2023 to 41 days as of March 31st, 2025, primarily due to increase in credit period advanced to customers. Further, bad debts of our company pursuant to default in payment by our customers were rupees 0.04 million, rupees 1.90 million and rupees 2.50 million for fiscals 2025, 2024 and 2023 respectively. We may not be able to collect receivables due from our customers in a timely manner or at all, which may adversely affect our business, financial condition, results of operations and cash flows. We require third parties to execute a portion of our orders, which presents numerous risks. We depend on our network partners, intermediaries and vendors or suppliers in certain aspects of our operations. Occurrences of instances of unsatisfactory services provided by them or failure to maintain relationships with them could disrupt our operations. During the fiscal 2025, fiscal 2024 and fiscal 2023, 47.54%, 42.42% and 13.01% of our revenue from operations respectively was attributed to the renewable energy industry, and therefore our business operations are dependent upon the said industry. Any downturn in the renewable energy industry and the other industries in which our customers operate would create an adverse impact on our revenue from operations, cash flows and financial conditions. Please read the risk factors beginning on page 36 of the RHP. Glottis Ltd is promoted by Ramkumar Senthilvel and Kuttapan Manikandan, who hold 79,184,000 equity shares of face value of rupees 2 each, equivalent to 98.98% of the issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of our company as on date of the RHP. Please refer to page 246 of the RHP for details of promoter and promoter group. 0.02% of the company is held by public shareholders. 98.98% of the issued, subscribed and paid up equity share capital of the company is held by the selling shareholders, who are together selling up to 11,395,640 equity shares of face value of rupees 2 each. The board of directors of the company consists of 6 directors, which includes 2 managing directors, 1 non-executive director and 3 independent directors, out of which 1 is a woman independent director. Glottis Ltd's revenues from operations stood at rupees 9,411.73 million with an EBITDA margin of approximately 8.34% in fiscal 2025, and revenues from operations stood at rupees 4,971.77 million with an EBITDA margin of approximately 8.12% in fiscal 2024. The company registered a PAT of approximately rupees 561.44 million in fiscal 2025 and PAT of approximately rupees 309.58 million in fiscal 2024. Investors are advised to read the RHP, including pages beginning 312, for further information on financials and related information of Glottis Ltd. A summary of outstanding litigation proceedings involving our company, our directors, our promoters and our group companies as on the date of this red herring prospectus is provided below. Please read outstanding litigations and material developments beginning on page 352 of the RHP. The net proceeds of funding are proposed for funding capital expenditure requirements of a company towards purchase of commercial vehicles and containers and general corporate purposes. The price band for the IPO is Rs 120 to Rs 129 per equity share. The minimum bid lot is 114 equity shares. Please read basis for offer price beginning on page 125 of the RHP and price band advertisement dated September 23, 2025, published on September 24, 2025 for further information. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not more than 30% of the offer to qualified institutional buyers QIBs, not less than 30% of the offer to non-institutional investors, and not less than 40% of the offer to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE and NSE. Pantomath Capital Advisors Private Limited is the sole book running lead manager to the offer. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk, and investors should not invest any funds in the offer unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the red herring prospectus dated September 22, 2025 in any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Disclaimer: neither the company nor the promoters and selling shareholders are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should rely only on the disclosures made in the red herring prospectus dated September 22, 2025 and the price band advertisement dated September 23, 2025, published on September 24, 2025 for taking an investment decision on the offer.